Have you ever wondered if your broker is scamming you? It's a daunting question, but one that needs to be asked in the world of Forex trading. With the ever-growing number of brokers popping up every day, it's become crucial to ensure that your hard-earned money is in safe hands. We're here to help you navigate the tricky waters of distinguishing a genuine broker from a scammer. Together, we'll explore 5 telltale signs that might raise red flags about your broker. These include a suspiciously vague website, problems with withdrawing your funds, unreliable customer service, a plethora of negative online reviews, and lastly, unrealistic promises of guaranteed profits. By the end of our journey, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make more informed decisions about who you trust with your investments. But remember, while we're about to embark on this educational journey, it's always essential to conduct your own due diligence. If you are looking for a reliable broker, see the links in the description box below. Stay tuned as we delve into the 5 signs that your broker might be a scammer. Sign number 1, a vague website. You might be dealing with a scam broker if their website leaves you with more questions than answers. The website is the digital storefront of a broker. It should be clear, professional, and brimming with essential information. Now you might wonder, what qualifies as essential information? Well, for starters, the website should clearly state the broker's regulatory status. This is the first line of defense against scams. Regulatory bodies ensure that brokers follow stringent rules and regulations, offering a layer of protection to traders. Next on the checklist is the broker's terms and conditions. It should be thorough, covering all aspects of the trading process, from account opening to fund withdrawal. If these critical details are missing or hidden in fine print, it's a cause for concern. Another vital piece of information is the broker's contact details. A legitimate broker will always provide multiple ways for traders to contact them, including phone numbers, email addresses, and physical office locations. If these are absent or sketchy, it's a red flag. The website should also give insight into the trading platforms used, the types of accounts available, the instruments traded, and most importantly, the cost of trading. This includes spreads, commissions, and any additional fees. If this information is vague or non-existent, you might want to reconsider your choice. Remember, a broker's website is your first point of interaction with them. It should instill confidence, not raise suspicion. If the website feels incomplete, lacking in necessary details, or is difficult to navigate, it might be a sign of a scam broker. A legitimate broker will always have a comprehensive, transparent website. If it's vague, think twice. The second sign of a scam broker is issues with withdrawing funds. Now this is a big one, folks, and here's why. You see, the heart of any trading relationship is trust. You've entrusted your hard-earned money to a broker, and in return, you expect them to provide a seamless service, part of which includes the ability to withdraw your funds easily and quickly. Imagine this scenario. You've been trading, you've made some solid profits, and now you want to enjoy the fruits of your labor. But there's a problem. Your broker is giving you the runaround. Delay after delay, excuse after excuse, withdrawal requests that go unanswered, or worse, denied without a valid reason. This can be incredibly frustrating and, quite frankly, a major red flag. Legitimate brokers understand the importance of timely withdrawals. They value their clients' trust and work to facilitate a smooth withdrawal process. If a broker is making it difficult for you to access your own money, it's a sign that something may be amiss. Remember, brokers are service providers. They are there to facilitate your trading experience, not hinder it. If your broker is acting more like a roadblock than a runway, it might be time to reconsider the partnership. Of course, there can be legitimate reasons for a delay, like compliance checks or technical issues, but these should be the exception, not the norm. If you find yourself constantly battling for your own money, that's not a healthy trading environment. So, what's the takeaway here? Be vigilant. If your broker is making withdrawals more difficult than they need to be, it's a sign that you might be dealing with a scam broker. If you're having trouble getting your money out, it might be time to consider switching brokers. Sign number 3, unreliable customer service. In the world of Forex trading, customer service is more than just a courtesy, it's a necessity. A broker who is readily available, attentive, and helpful can make the difference between a profitable trade and a devastating loss. But what happens when your broker's customer service is less than stellar? Imagine this. You've identified a promising trade, but you're having trouble executing it on your broker's platform. You reach out to customer service for help, but your emails go unanswered, your calls go to voicemail, and the live chat function might as well be a brick wall. Time is money in Forex trading, and every moment that passes without a response is potential profit slipping through your fingers. This lack of responsiveness isn't just frustrating, it's a sign that your broker may be less than legitimate. A reputable broker understands the importance of timely, effective communication. They know that their success is tied to yours, and they'll do everything they can to support you in your trading journey. But it's not just about responsiveness. A good customer service team should also be knowledgeable and able to provide clear, accurate information. If you're getting vague answers or worse, misinformation, it could be another red flag. A legitimate broker invests in training their customer service team, ensuring they're equipped to answer your questions and guide you through any challenges you might face. Lastly, consider the tone of your interactions. Are they respectful and professional, or do they make you feel like you're an inconvenience? Good customer service is about more than just solving problems. It's about treating clients with respect and making them feel valued. A broker who can't be bothered to show basic courtesy is a broker who doesn't deserve your business. Remember, good customer service is a hallmark of a reputable broker. If you're not getting the service you deserve, it may be time to consider looking elsewhere. And if you are looking for a reliable broker, see the links in the description box below. Customer service responsiveness. But here's the catch. A pattern of negative reviews? That's a big red flag. If numerous traders are consistently reporting the same issues, whether it's with withdrawals, customer service, or hidden costs, it's time to sit up and take notice. And remember, don't just take one bad review as gospel. Look for trends. Are there common complaints? Are the issues recurring? If the same problems keep cropping up, that's not just bad luck, that's a pattern. And a pattern of negative reviews could be a sign of a scam broker. But as with all things in life, it's essential to keep a balanced perspective. One or two negative reviews among a sea of positives may not necessarily spell disaster. After all, no one is perfect. But a steady stream of dissatisfaction, that's a storm you might want to avoid. So, what's the takeaway here? Always do your research and read reviews before choosing a broker. And the final sign, unrealistic promises. Now, we all know that the world of Forex trading isn't a paved road to guaranteed riches. It's a complex field that requires knowledge, strategy, and a fair share of risk. So when you come across a broker who promises you a surefire way to make profits, your scam radar should be buzzing. Remember, Forex trading is not a lottery where you can just hit the jackpot. It's a financial market that operates on trends, economic indicators, and countless other factors. Any broker telling you they have a foolproof method for consistent high profits is, quite frankly, trying to pull the wool over your eyes. It's the equivalent of someone promising you'll lose 10 pounds in a week by eating nothing but ice cream. Sure, it's a tempting proposition, but deep down we all know that's not how things work. A reliable broker will be honest about the risks involved in Forex trading. They'll guide you, provide you with tools and resources, but they'll never assure you of guaranteed profits. Because in this game, there are no guarantees, only possibilities. So, if you stumble upon a broker making these pie-in-the-sky promises, be skeptical, ask questions, do your research. Because in the world of Forex trading, an educated trader is a successful trader. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So tread carefully, and remember, if you are looking for a reliable broker, see the links in the description box below. So there you have it, the 5 signs that your broker might be a scammer. We've navigated through the murky waters of potential deceit, shedding light on the red flags you need to watch out for when trading Forex. First, a vague website. Remember, a legitimate broker will have nothing to hide. Their website should be a beacon of transparency, detailing essential information clearly and concisely. If it feels like you're trying to read a map in the dark, you might want to reconsider your choice of broker. Secondly, withdrawal issues. Your hard-earned money should never feel like it's held hostage. If you're encountering delays or complications when trying to withdraw your funds, it's a glaring red flag that shouldn't be ignored. Next, we touched on poor customer service. In any industry, particularly one as volatile as Forex trading, effective communication is key. If your broker is neglecting your queries or providing unsatisfactory responses, it's a sign they may not have your best interests at heart. We also discussed the importance of online reviews. Just as you'd check the rating of a restaurant before dining, it's crucial to gauge the reputation of your broker. If the internet is awash with negative reviews, it's likely there's fire where there's smoke. Lastly, beware of unrealistic promises. The Forex market is unpredictable, and no broker can guarantee profits. If they're promising you the moon, it's time to bring your feet back down to earth. Each of these signs alone is cause for concern, but together, they paint a picture of a potential scam. So, be vigilant, stay informed, and don't let the allure of quick profits blind you to the potential risks. Remember, if you are looking for a reliable broker, see the links in the description box below. Stay safe and trade wisely.